and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Taylor. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. I am the channel that apparently makes digitizing easier. I made it up on a whim, so take it lightly, but I have been told I have made it a little bit easier in the software. I'm really excited because today I'm going to be showing you my Starbucks bundle. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, but I just haven't gotten around to it, and I finally got one too many custom orders for it, and I just had to say, you know what? Here you go. I'm making a Valentine's Day themed cup, a fall themed cup, and a Christmas themed cup. In this video, unfortunately, you're only gonna see the Valentine's Day cup, not by choice, but only because I forgot to record the last two cups after my laptop died. This entire video is literally just me digitizing this cup because that's just how long digitizing takes. I hope you enjoy this video so much. I'm gonna pop in here and there and provide tips and tricks in the software, so I hope you enjoy. The most crucial part of digitizing is the node count. So all of these excessive nodes right here is just so unnecessary. So that's why I use the smooth shapes button to reduce the node count automatically. I decided to move this entire pink fill down instead of making 3 pink large fills, because making one entire fill would drastically lessen the amount of gapping. And you'll see every single time I create a new fill, I use the smooth shapes button to reduce the node count automatically. When I made this design in Canva, I knew that when I got into Hatch, I was just going to digitize a couple of the hearts and move the hearts around the cup. So I didn't waste any time in Canva designing the cup with a whole bunch of hearts all over the place because I knew I could just move the hearts around. So a fun little tip if that helps anyone out there. I really stalled here for a bit because I was really trying to figure out if I wanted to cover up the entire white design for the Starbucks logo or if I wanted to create the holes in the green. But I ended up deciding to just layer the white thread on top because when in doubt, if you don't want any gapping with all of these small detailings, it's always better to just make a big fill and then add that detailing back on top. If you only take one thing away from this video, let it be the knife tool. The knife tool in the toolbox is my favorite tool to use in Hatch Embroidery. It's one of my favorite because it's another way to lazily adjust the node count without manually deleting every single one of them. So as you can see, I just use the knife to cut through the unwanted thread. And now I can use the select button to click on the fill that I do want and go about adjusting it in any way that I want and delete the thread that I don't want. It got to the point where I realized that the top of the cup was not going to work like this, so I ended up using the knife tool to also adjust the cup I keep saying cup, adjust the top of the cup to only having one outline around it and not any of the outline in the middle of it, because the embroidery machine simply cannot embroider that without it jamming or getting, jammed in the machine with the bobbin thread, and it would just be a disaster. So I decided to use the knife tool to also take out some of the thread that I don't want in the top. And then after the knife tool, I go back in manually to adjust the nodes using the reshape button. So after I use the knife tool, then I go in to actually physically delete some of the nodes that don't belong and just try to adjust the shape as best as I can. My goal here was to use the smooth shapes and the knife tool to reduce the jump stitches from the middle of the cup. I'm still so sad I couldn't get the other footage together for the other 2 cups in the bundle, but here are the pictures of the other 2 because I'm sure you're interested in what those ended up looking like. Subscribe for more, comment down below what I should digitize next, and I'll see you guys next time.